In this video, we're going to show you how to replace a hatch strut on your Subaru Crosstrek. This is located in the rear of the vehicle. We'll remove our 10mm bolts. You'll want to use something to support the hatch while you remove the strut. We'll loosen up the 12mm bolt, holding the ball socket in. Make sure you have something to support the hatch while you remove the strut. We'll start up top by threading in the ball socket. Line up your 10mm bolt holes. It's good to get all of the bolts started before tightening them down. With all the bolts started, we can tighten down the ball socket. Be cautious not to over-tighten this. Tighten down your 10mm. And be cautious not to over-tighten these. When you've completed your installation, check the function of the hatch. Make sure the struts are working, and you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.